Friends, the crypto market is already struggling, and now another major crypto exchange has stopped new user registrations in India due to regulatory issues. There is also a possibility that the exchange could suspend its services completely in the future. If you trade on centralized exchanges in India, it's very important to know which exchanges are FIU registered. FIU stands for Financial Intelligence Unit, a government body that monitors financial transactions to prevent money laundering and illegal activities. Since March 2023, crypto exchanges operating in India must register with FIU and follow strict rules like KYC verification, transaction monitoring, AML, and CFT compliance. Exchanges that fail to follow these regulations may face restrictions or even shutdowns in India. Most major Indian exchanges like WAX, CoinSwitch, CoinDCX, and international exchanges like Binance, Upbit, and KuCoin are FIU registered. Recently, MEX temporarily suspended services in India due to the FIU registration process. Now, BitGet has also stopped new registrations for Indian users because of local regulatory requirements. Existing users can still use the platform, but there is a chance of further restrictions in the future. That's why it's safer to keep your funds on trusted FIU-registered exchanges only. Despite the market crash, Indian traders are heavily buying the dip, showing strong confidence in crypto's long-term future. ARK Invest recently predicted that Bitcoin could reach $1.5 million in the coming years, which is why many investors still remain bullish on crypto.